Good evening, everyone. I am going to roast some tomatoes today. So I already started cutting and slicing and putting them on the rack. I decided to show you what I'm going to do. So I'm going to take a tomato. Please don't tilt this down. So I'm going to just slice, And yes, I need my cutting board, but it's over there. I just got through sanitizing the sink. I mean the countertop, so it's okay. So I'm gonna take that. I'm gonna place it in the bowl. The bowl. All of it. And from there, I'm gonna add some avocado oil. I think it has a higher heat tolerance than olive oil. Top back on that. Then I'm just going to toss it a little to make sure it's all coated. I'm going to slide this back down this way. Get that up. Down this way. And I'm going to just place them on the rack. Place it on the rack. And all of these tomatoes did come off my vine outside. I'm going to try to roast the San Manzano too. I had 2 of those. And then I'm going to add seasoning. I'm going to sprinkle a little salt. And I am a garlic powder fan. Garlic powder, and that one's not open. This one's open. So garlic powder. I'm going to sprinkle some black pepper. I love black pepper too. And some onion powder. And I'm going to roast these on 450 for 30 to 35 minutes. I will check probably in 25 minutes just to see how they're doing. And I think I also want to add some Tony Chachere's. So hold on for just a moment. So I'm going to add some Tony Chachere's too for just a little spice. And I'm going to eat these roasted tomatoes, my husband and I, with some purple whole peas my mother-in-law gave me yesterday. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to cook some fried fish and place it in the oven. I got my cast iron skillet out for my fish, and that's what we're going to have for supper today. So I'll bring you back as soon as the 35 minutes are up. Alexa, set timer for 30 minutes. Okay, the timer has went off. Let me get my stuff on here. So I let them cook for 40 minutes, which may have been overkill, but they look good. So I'm gonna eat these with I'm frying fish, with my fried fish, and my pinto beans. So this is what we're having for supper today. But I'm gonna eat some roasted tomatoes and see how that tastes for us. But okay, thank you guys for joining me today. Roasted tomatoes. I just saw somebody had roasted some and I was like, well, I got a lot of tomatoes. Just wondered how they would taste. I will let you guys know how they taste though. Bye bye.